Today I have some patriotic decor ideas for you for America's 250th birthday. Let's get started. So we will be redecorating my accordion rack here. This is from World Market. I did show this in another video I did when I redid the hallway. I can link that for you if you're interested. But I just love this piece. It's so unusual and it's so pretty, and I love the rich tone of the wood. So we're going to decorate this today, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. Okay, we're going to use a jean jacket here today because nothing says American like a good old-fashioned jean jacket. Here is my hanging basket. So I took my little garland down that was protecting the wall, and so I decided to use the Simply Tacky pieces here to keep this from scratching my wall. And then I found these beautiful blue hydrangeas at Walmart. I'm sure you've seen other people show them if you watch home decor videos. I just had to have these. Love blue hydrangeas. They're one of my favorites. And I raced down to Walmart to get them to use them for the summer season. And of course I have an American flag. Liking this. I'm wondering if it's a little bit too much blue. I do love the hydrangeas with the flag. We've got our baseball caps here because summer is really officially baseball cap season. And then of course the classic denim jacket. I'm going to try one more thing here though, and we'll see how that looks. I don't know. I kind of like it with the sun hat back up here. I don't know. I can't really decide. There's my pillow and my bench. I'm kind of liking this better. I guess I was just feeling like maybe there was too much blue altogether. Okay, so let me fill you in a little bit with this tray. This sign right here is a new purchase from Etsy, and I thought it was just perfect for the 250th birthday of America. I thought it was a beautiful rustic piece, and you can see here that that's kind of what I'm going for, is kind of a rustic Americana look. I have my Currier and Ives sugar bowl here. Love that. And then I have had this little teacup forever, and I thought I would use it at Christmas time, and then I didn't end up using it at Christmas time. But the great thing about red and white pieces is you can use them at Christmas, you can use them on Valentine's, or you can use them here in the United States for our patriotic decor. So this back here, I have this, I'm not really sure what you call that. It's some kind of a wooden scoop. And then that's my magnolia hot pad in front of it. So I thought that this spool of yarn would give it a nice homespun touch. I made that tiny wreath a few years ago for some other summer trays that I did. I believe one of them was like a blueberry tray and a lemon tray. I think I will try to find those and link those for you. The star I purchased off of Etsy too, I believe. The tray itself came from Hobby Lobby. It was part of their spring collection several years ago. And of course I have a little American flag here. And then this is just a doorknob. You can actually see there was, I hate to point it out, but I didn't get the tag completely off of that. I need to use some Goo Gone with that. And I always like to use the fairy lights. I think that it gives the tray a touch of whimsy. It's a little hard to see right here. It's, you know, easier to see it at night or when the lights are dim. But I do like that touch. And in the back, I just have a couple of larger pieces to fill that in. My trays do not sit where you can see them 360. They sit, this one's probably gonna go back in my fireplace hearth. Although I'm liking the way it looks with my other Currier and Ives plate here. So it's entirely possible that I might move it over here and put it underneath my shelf here. But then I have to find some place to put my towels. Now I can put my towels back in the cupboards. That would not be a problem. But then I'd have to move the basket and find a new place for the basket. So I'm going to think about that. In the meantime, I do think it's going to go back on my fireplace hearth. Next, we're just going to make some ever so subtle changes to my shelf and my secretary desk. This QR code that I've added is an Amazon code, and that is to my Amazon shop. And I have curated some patriotic decor ideas that you might be interested in checking out there. So depending on your color palette, you can just add a couple of American flags to things and your decorating is done. Okay, I have one more style for you here. This is my tray I recently purchased from Decor Steels, so I wanted to use that real quickly. I love the way that these white creamers look with the American flags. I put a couple mason jars in here with some candles, and then I have some blue and white florals here that I think add to it nicely. And these are all just pieces that I've had on hand and that I've just gathered over the years. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I definitely appreciate that you are still here. If you are still here, think about leaving a thumbs up or a comment below, or even sharing it with someone else who you think might appreciate it. That does help my channel out quite a bit. Here's another video for you in case you're interested, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.